Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll convert our garage door to become a smart garage. So in this one, we will install the Meross MSG100. I got this from Amazon. So come on, let's unbox it and check what's inside the box. Okay, so this is the Meross MSG100. This video is not sponsored, so I just decided to get one of this because I'm having issues with my garage door opener with my remote, and I tried a new one but still having issues on it. So now we're gonna try to go wireless. So this is compatible with the Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, or the Google Assistant. So let's check what's in the box. Okay, so for this one, let's check. So there, you can scan it to have, to read the user manual. We have, I think, cables, what I can see. We have some cables in here. So this is the sensor that goes to the garage door. And this one, the one that has a cable, goes to your rail. So this is the stationary one, and this is the one that goes to your garage door. So this is gonna stick, looks like it's magnetic because there's some screws that are sticking in there. And then you have this. Okay, so we have the module in here. Yes, so this is the module, and it is USB powered. So this one is where you scan it and pair it. So this is a QR code where you can pair it with your phone. Okay, so it comes with a power brick for the USB because it's USB powered. Yeah, so it has a power brick, which is good. So then it has an actual user manual, which is gonna be helpful. So yeah, so just follow the instructions, and I think we're all gonna be set on that one. So first, let's download the app and let's make an account and log into it. We're gonna pair this. Okay, so I plug it in already, and it should have the light. I think it cannot be seen in the camera, but it's actually blinking in two colors. And we're gonna need to scan the QR code with the phone. I already downloaded the app on this one and made an account. I also have the other module installed in here, and now we're gonna try this one out. Smart garage door, we select that, and then we select that again. Compatibility, I know it's compatible, and we have a Craftsman. And the model, let me search for the model. The model that we have, and then I found it, and then connect to power cable. Yeah, so it's already that, so it's blinking. Yes, this is the HomeKit version. Then we have to scan the code for the HomeKit. So there's that. There you go. Scan. Let's add to home. It's connecting right now, which is good. Let's wait. And again, this one works well with the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, just to avoid any interference. So in my garage, I have a mesh adapter in here, or mesh network also. Again, this is the garage. We're gonna put garage 1. Because I have a garage 2 already installed, which is the middle one. So we just need to follow these steps and we're gonna be done. Now, hardware deployment. Let's check what that means. Okay, so it will guide you on what to do, basically. So on this one, I'm gonna show you basically what you need to do is connect these two wires on your garage door, which let's go up in there and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so before we go up there, I just want to show you how this works. Most of you most likely know how it works, but I just want to show you. You can plug this in here. There you go. So I plug that in there, and now I'll join this together, and it will alert me that my garage is closed. If I separate it, it will show on my phone that it has been opened. So yeah, so this one, I think you have like an inch or less than an inch, but I actually tested it. More than an inch is still gonna sense it, so it will alert. There you go, it says it's open. So I just need to tap yes, it's working. And yeah, so as you see, the alignment in here, it says less than an inch, but more than an inch works. Yeah, so again, it works. Now let's proceed on connecting the two wires. Okay, so for this one, you need to remove the cover, and the wires are here. So we can test this by touching this two. Basically, we're gonna let's close it. Oops. There you go. So it closed. So this is the wire that we're gonna work on. So we just need to unscrew it, and we're gonna connect these two wires in here. Doesn't matter which one goes where, so that's gonna be fine. So yeah, let me just turn off this bulb. Okay, so I just loosened up the bulb in there. Now we're going to put the wire here and another one on the other side. Okay, and then we're gonna feed this one from the top. Just gonna feed this one up in here. Then we're just gonna get that in there, just rest it in there. Need to loosen it up a little bit more. I think these are 12 volts. So, okay. Let's push it, there you go. Okay, so just tighten it up. Do the same thing on the other end or on the other side, and then we're gonna work on wiring up the sensor, and that should be easy from there. I just need to remove all of this cable in here. Okay, so now we're gonna check on our app if we can control it. I did not connect the sensor yet, so just gonna press OK on that. So, okay, got it. So, alright. So let's see. Oh my, okay, so it needs a firmware upgrade. Let's do that. So we'll be right back. Okay, so while we're waiting for that to update, I'm gonna run the sensor from here. I might just follow the wires in the middle, or I'm gonna make it a little dirty, just use this hangers in here and on that side, on that wall, going to the side. So we're gonna find out. We're gonna mount the sensor. I cannot really put it on the actual rail in here because there's a moving part. So yeah, I'm not sure. We can do it here. It goes here on the hole just to make sure it's tight. Then we're gonna run it through on this end here, on that side. So we'll check what we can do on this one, but let's see if it's done. Okay, so it's done updating. Now let's see if it will open it without the sensor. Well, it says closing because it doesn't know if it's open or closed, but we can close this. There you go. My garage is dirty, so let's close it. There you go. So yeah, so this is using the app. We can also control it by saying let's test. It says close action because it doesn't have the sensor. So with this one, you can go to the settings. You can do the overtime close for how many minutes. I do 3 minutes for that, so it will close automatically after 3 minutes. Closing alarm, I think that one if you want it to beep or something. Yeah, so pin code, let's put a pin code in here, which will be okay. So pin code is accepted. Now let's link it to my Google Home Assistant. Okay, so now we're on my Google Home, and now let's add this one. Let's see if it will. Okay, well, check for new device. I have another one already. So now it is link. It says Garage 1. So let's choose that. Next. Let's see, Garage. This is helpful really, because if you're outside, you can control or can see, you can get alerted if your garage door was left open or not. So let's test it. Hey Google, open Garage 1.
Can I have your pen? Alright, opening the garage one.
Did not open it because probably the sensor is not there. That's probably why. So let's work with the sensor and put it in there. Okay, so this is where I placed the sensor. So I did not stick this one out yet permanently, but I put one screw on the stationary sensor Okay, so this is where I place the sensor in here. So this is the stationary. I put one screw for now, and this is the one that moves with the actual garage. So now if we're gonna look here on my screen, I'm gonna pretend that I'm opening the door, which I'm gonna remove this. Will give us an alert that the door has been opened. And now we're gonna put it back on there. Which gonna alert us that the door has been closed. So let's take this one out, finalize the wiring, and that's it, guys. Okay, so everything is done. So if you can see, it is resting in there with that green light. Then I run the wire up there to these hangers, going here to the sensor. So sensor are somewhere in there, as I've shown you. But yeah, so this one works great. So let's test it out again. So let's try it. Let's say, hey Google, open garage 1.
Can I have your pin?
It's asking for the pin. So it's there you go, it opens up. So there you go, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.